Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you, sir?
I'm fine, thanks.
Alhamdulillah.
And let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Shouziki. I'm your teacher and I teach in English.
Okay, sir.
And today I'm gonna be teaching you about our new material, Descriptive Text.
Yes, sir.
Do you know about descriptive text?
I don't know, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir. I don't know.
Okay, no problem. By the way, this is descriptive text in listening. Descriptive text is a text which say what a person or a thing is like. And now I will play an audio that you have to listen to it. However, when the audio stops, I will ask you 3 questions based on an audio. Based on audio. So you have to listen carefully.
Okay,
Are
sir.
you ready?
Yes, I ready, sir.
Okay. Singapore is a Southeast Asian country located between Malaysia and Indonesia. Despite its small size, Singapore is known for its transition as a third world country to the first world country. Singapore also is known as the Asian tiger economy, based on external trade and its workforce. Singapore's size is not as big as Indonesia, but the city ranks highly in numerous international rankings for its education, entertainment, finance, healthcare, human capital, innovation, logistics, manufacturing, technology, tourism, trade, and transport. Singapore is home to 5.6 million people with a diverse culture. Majority ethnic groups in Singapore are Chinese, Malay, and Indian. Singapore Independence Day was on the 9th of August 1965. Marilyn Statue is the official mascot of Singapore. Singapore is famous for its Garden by the Bay, Marina Bay Sands, and Orchard Road. Okay, the audio is over and you have to answer directly.
Okay, sir.
First question. What does the text describe?
The text describe about Singapore.
And Singapore is located between
Malaysia and Indonesia.
Correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next question. Tell me the 3 international rankings achieved by Singapore.
Entertainment.
Only that?
Yes, sir. I couldn't hear clearly.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Next question. When Singapore Independence Day?
7th of August.
Still wrong.
9th of August.
It's right.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, the last question. What is the official mascot of Singapore?
Merlion statue.
Can you pronounce it well?
Merlion statue.
It's better. Follow me. Merlin
Merlin
statue.
statue.
Merlin statue.
Merlin statue.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The question is enough, and you are good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
The time is over, and I hope you enjoy my class.
Yes, sir.
Don't forget to practice your listening skills at home, and before we go home, we have to pray to God.
Okay, sir.
Bismillah. Amin. And good morning, class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.